Welcome to Dorset Goes Wild. Today we're going to be making plant pots out of toilet rolls. Why? Well, firstly, because there's too much plastic in the world and we don't want to be buying any more plant pots, and two, because you can plant them straight into the ground or into a container. So let's see what we need. You will need a loo roll, scissors, peat-free compost or soil, seeds, a container with no holes in, and a windowsill or a garden. Come on, let's give it a go. There's a whole world of wildlife on your doorstep. So turn off your TV, unplug, and go wild. Till the next time, stay safe.